Welcome to the Science of Healthy Skin. I'm Dr. David Colbert. Beautiful, radiant skin can be a sign of a beautiful you. In this series, we'll examine how skin works and explore some basic ways of maintaining and improving the skin's appearance. We begin with the basics. What is healthy skin? Healthy skin really means that the function of the skin is to protect us from pathogens. Without it, we couldn't survive. Without skin, the sun would destroy us. We would also freeze or die of heat exhaustion if we didn't have skin because it regulates our temperature. The skin is a sensual covering because it has, in different layers, touch organisms and sensory organs that make us feel. It has thermoregulators so we can sense temperature and touch. It also has blood vessels that bring liquids and blood and lymph fluids in and out of our skin to make us look healthy and to control disease and to fight infection. The skin's structure and function really begins with dividing it into three layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the subcutaneous tissue. The epidermis is the outer covering of the skin made of small cells called keratinocytes. And underneath that is the dermis, which is filled with blood vessels and lots of molecules that make collagen called fibroblasts. And below that is another layer called the subcutaneous layer. And that layer has a layer of fat and more blood vessels, and it gives our skin and our bodies structure and silhouette and makes us look healthy. Healthy skin can be arranged from dry to oily, and many people ask, well, am I oily, am I dry? And the truth is that most people have what is called combination skin. There are different amounts of oil glands on different parts of the body. For example, on the nose there are more oil glands than on the sides of the cheek. Patients often ask me, why is my skin different today than it was yesterday? And it can vary with emotional stress, whether if you're on vacation versus whether you're at work, and so the range is variable for most people. Our skin responds to emotion, to beauty, to sunlight, and it's constantly reacting to what's going on around us, so it's our buffer to the outside environment. Without dynamic skin, our body couldn't function. We'll explore the skin even further throughout this series. We'll look at how skin ages, how everyday realities like exposure to the sun can have a significant effect on the appearance of our skin. We'll also examine the most popular cosmetic injections and treatments, and above all, we'll look at the best ways for maintaining a lifetime of healthy skin.